Okay, so here we go. I got it in the mail today and I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this little box. It was wrapped in plastic on the outside and it says females only, no male contact with any contents of this box. Okay, so we're gonna open it up and go through step by step. I'm so excited. Ooh. It comes with tattoos. 2 tattoos. One says it's a boy and the other one says it's a girl, and you can do like a little gender reveal. It just gives you information about that. This is the instruction manual, which is very, very, very thorough. As you can see, we are gonna go through all of this, all of this. Oh wait, there's another side. There's another side. Okay, there's no males present, no male contact with contents of the test box before, during, and after sample collection. Do not touch any males during sample collection. No bathroom collection. Yes, that's a big one. Do not collect in the bathroom. A clean table surface with household cleaner or warm soapy water. I've already done that. Drink a full glass of water 30 minutes before starting. I've already done that as well. Moving on to step 2. We need to decontaminate my hands. I actually just took a shower, so that was great timing. Okay, it says wash your hands with warm soapy water for 2 minutes and let air dry. Remove nail brush from box. Wash hands again in warm water and begin using nail brush. Scrub under your fingernails. Scrub around your fingertips. Air dry by shaking your hands. Avoid contamination by touching anything except test items. Okay. So I'm going to go do that. Let me just show you what else is in here. So this is the consent to DNA testing. It's just a little thing I gotta sign. Oh, here are the tattoos. So cute. This is what I will be putting my blood sample in. This bag goes into this bag. There are alcohol swabs in here as well. We have my lancets. There are 3 of them, along with a little vial that I put my blood in. I've got the tourniquet and the nail brush. Okay, so let's take the nail brush. I'm going to be needing to touch my camera, so I should probably sanitize the button on my camera. I'm going to go wash my hands and I will be right back. So I'm back. My hands are air dried and let's do this. Step 3, set up collection tube and lancet. Bum, insert. Okay, let's do it. Let's take this tourniquet out. 3 different lancets in case I need to do it more than once. And this looks like a lot of blood that I need to collect. See that black line? That's where it needs to go to. Looks like a lot. We shall see. There is a little bit of liquid in the bottom here. I don't know if you can really see it, but I guess it is a preservative to keep the blood preserved, I guess, right? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna open it. We're gonna set it right here. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? I don't know. Okay, directions. It says rotate the lancet cap in either direction and pull off. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna rotate it. And I pulled it off. Okay, what do I do with this? Where do I put it? What do I do? What do I do? Okay, I'm just gonna put it right there for a second. Okay, next it says to get your blood flowing. It says to stand during the collection. Select the hand you will stick, rotate that arm in a circle multiple times, make a fist, open and close tightly multiple times, put the tourniquet on your wrist. Okay, I'm gonna do that off camera and I will be right back. I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? I don't know. Why am I nervous? I don't know. I'm doing both things at the same time. I'm rotating my arm and opening and closing my wrist. Okay, here we go. I'm coming back. All right, says to put the tourniquet on. This thing, looks super tiny, so let's see. Oh yeah. Well, actually, not that bad. I have super tiny wrists, so there we go. Okay, next it says to select either the middle or ring finger to draw the blood. Use the top smooth portion of your fingertip, clean fingertip with alcohol wipe and let alcohol dry. Place lancet against your fingertip sideways with the narrow side of the lancet going against, the narrow side going against, okay, so like that. Okay, oh sorry, ooh, directions aren't on camera, there we go. Stick finger and collect blood in tube up to line. Press firmly against your finger, apply a large amount of pressure until you hear a click. Blood will immediately begin to flow. Start applying pressure on the bottom. I need to get my alcohol swab right here. Oh my gosh, why am I nervous? I don't know. I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay, where'd this thing go? Right here. All right, let's do my middle finger, I guess. Oh, that was like nothing. That was nothing, you guys. Mama doesn't got much blood though. It says to like milk your finger. Guys, this is gonna take forever. I think it said you have to do this all within 3 minutes or something. Guys, I don't even have my first drop yet. Get in there, get in there. Oh my gosh, you guys. Mama does not have good blood flow. All right, I'm definitely gonna fast forward this part. I had to turn the camera back on and show you guys. Still going. I guess Mama's not a bleeder. I got like maybe 2 more drops left. It says apply pressure, but I don't feel like I need pressure because Mama's not a bleeder. This is me putting the Band-Aid on. I feel like we should close this because I don't like that it's open. Turn tube on tabletop with the lid side down and to break up any blood clots like this. Okay, next is to protect your package and sample for shipping. Place collection tube into plastic bag with biohazard label. Where did that go? Right here. Okay, so we're gonna put this in here. Close that up. And then it says to fold bag in half and place in container box. Container box is this guy right here. So folding that in half, putting that in there. Okay, snap lid shut, did that. Place container in large resealable bag, which is this one right here. So we're gonna put this in here, maybe. Okay. Whew, I'm glad it's all sealed up now. Okay. Then it says to fill out consent form and prepare shipping. Sign consent form. Completely fill out the opposite side. My husband keeps texting me. Completely fill out the opposite side and print name, phone, place large bag into, oh, they give you an envelope to send right here. So I gotta fill this out and this side with all my information. Let's photograph a USPS tracking label. So yeah, I'll do that. And then, ooh, I'm so excited. And then when they receive it, you get results within 8 hours. This is the fast track kit, by the way. So yeah, I'm so excited. So today's Wednesday. Today's the day that I'm getting the results back from my sneak peek test. Oh my gosh, I'm seriously like stalking the tracking info. Right now it's like 45 minutes from the sneak peek office. I'm literally like refreshing it every like 5 minutes. So excited to get the results today. Oh my gosh, you guys. So Lewis is actually out of town. He had to go out of town for work. He was out last night and he'll be out tonight. So he's not gonna be home when I find the results. And I was talking to him like, I need to look. I can't wait for you. I'm sorry. But he's like, no, that's fine. So I think what I'm gonna do, this is actually his idea, is to make cupcakes and then just put like pink or blue in the middle of them. And then he can have one when he gets home tomorrow. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. The kids and I are gonna play outside. We're gonna occupy ourselves for a few hours and I will check in with you guys later. So it is 4:48, still no word from sneak peek yet. Just thought I'd check in and update you guys. Oh my God, okay. Oh, okay.
Where are you?
I'm right here, okay.
Okay.
All right, are you ready?
Yes, I zoomed in.
Okay, all right, you ready?
Okay, we're ready.
Oh God. Oh!